What's up guys, Daniel Ndukwu here and I'm back at it again. In this video, I'm going to go through what affiliate marketing is and how you can get started. Before we jump in, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I cover a lot of affiliate marketing training, in-depth tutorials, and I show my own behind the scenes of building affiliate marketing sites from scratch. And I also run experiments with other popular online business opportunities, etc., etc. So you can get the download on whether or not this thing is actually producing income or people are just talking about it to get views or sell their own courses. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. Don't damage your screen though. Let's dive in. First and foremost, affiliate marketing is really quite simple. It's the process of promoting someone else's product or company and getting a cut of any sales that are made. Now, there are different types of affiliate marketing, or rather, let me say different models with affiliate marketing. For example, if you're promoting a software product that has a recurring subscription, you more than likely will get a percentage of every month's payment for the life of that customer. So if they stay with the company for 5 years, you're going to get paid on that initial sale for the next 5 years. And it's really compounding. But physical products, on the other hand, give you a one-time subscription. Software products tend to have a 20 to 30% commission every time someone pays, whereas physical products have a much lower subscription. I'm sure you heard about how Amazon slashed their commission rates on affiliates and many people lost half their income overnight. Now, how do you get started with affiliate marketing? I've gone through this topic in a much more in-depth video, which you can check out on the channel, but I'll just give you the really broad overview. First, you want to choose your niche. That will determine everything else that follows, the kind of products you can promote, and really your income potential. Now, there are some things to consider. Are people interested in it? Do they have a lot of products for sale? Are there other affiliate marketers doing well in the space? If those boxes are checked, then it may be a good affiliate niche. Of course, there are other things to consider like competition, traffic, value of the goods, value of a commission, etc., etc. And I go through all of that in the other video. Now, after you've chosen a niche, which will determine basically everything else related to your affiliate marketing journey, you want to research different affiliate marketing partners and vendors. Now, there are quite literally thousands upon thousands of affiliate marketing vendors, and they're divided based on niche, business model, and things of that nature. For example, you can go to Amazon.com and sign up as an affiliate, and they'll pay you commission on all the traffic you refer to Amazon. You can also go to ClickBank or CJ or ShareASale. Now, each of these is different. They all have their own different sign-up process and criteria when vetting new affiliates. For example, Amazon requires that you make a certain number of sales within a specific time frame. If you do that, then they'll accept you to the affiliate program. If you don't do that, then they won't accept you to the affiliate program. ClickBank has different requirements. ShareASale has different requirements, etc., etc. And then instead of going to an affiliate network, you can actually go to individual companies. For example, a tool that makes landing pages called Instapage has an affiliate program and you sign up directly through them. Of course, they use software to manage the affiliate program, but it's between you and them. They can choose whether or not they accept you into their affiliate program. Whereas affiliate networks, you first have to get accepted to the network and then you have to apply to individual vendors on the network. So there's a slight difference there. After you've researched your vendors, you know a couple products you want to promote, and you have a good idea of the affiliate landscape in your niche, the next thing is to set up a website that targets those key terms related to the products you want to sell. Of course, you do affiliate marketing reviews like, for example, if you have a product that you want to promote, you'll create a review on that specific product. But there's a lot more that goes into building an affiliate marketing website. People also want to be educated related to those products. They want education within that niche. And that can be a really great way to build an audience, build an email list, and generate income divorced from search traffic, because you can build a mailing list and you can build an audience of people who actually are interested in you and your brand. So it allows you to go beyond just affiliate marketing. And then after you set up your website, create some content related to those affiliate marketing programs you want to promote, the next step is really quite simple. You get traffic to those articles, you get traffic to those affiliate marketing platforms. So if you skip the affiliate marketing website creation process, you have other options. An affiliate marketing website isn't the only option, but I believe it's the best, because once you get to a certain level of income, you can sell it for a 30 times multiple on monthly profits. So for example, If you build an affiliate marketing website to $5,000 a month, you can actually sell that website for $150,000. Yeah, you can't do that if you have a social media platform or a social media account that you're using for affiliate marketing. It just doesn't have that same resale value because you're building on someone else's platform, and anything can happen. Your account can be shut down almost overnight. Web hosts aren't really shutting down your website. Even if a web host shuts down your website, you can take your domain and all your content and port it over to another web host that won't do something like that. There are subtle differences, but it's very important. Now, some great social media platforms for affiliate marketing include YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, and Quora. But if you're caught doing affiliate marketing on Quora, they will suspend your account. What I suggest is that you just look through and kind of determine policies of each affiliate marketing platform. And then again, even if you don't promote your links directly on the social media platform, you can actually promote your website, drive traffic, and then use that as an avenue to promote your content and your affiliate links. And then again, you have paid traffic. Now, paid traffic, it's complicated and it takes a lot of experience, and you actually need a testing budget so you can find the messages and the offers that are resonating with people in the market right now. If you're a beginner to affiliate marketing, I don't suggest you start with that route, but eventually once you start building up that income, you have some money to play with, you can start testing paid advertising for affiliate marketing. One thing I will say is that it's much faster than the other channels, right? So you can quite literally set up a Facebook advertising campaign today, drop your affiliate links, and drive traffic directly to those platforms and start getting paid within as little as 24 hours. You can't really do that when you're going through other channels, like with social media, like YouTube, for example. You have to build up an audience that knows you, trusts you, likes you before they'll start paying for whatever it is that you're promoting. The same thing goes for any other platform like Facebook, Quora, etc. If you go the organic route, it takes more time. But again, you're building an asset when you build that website. There's another aspect of affiliate marketing a lot of people overlook. When you're doing affiliate marketing, you actually build up a lot of in-demand skills related to digital marketing. And from there, you can take your expertise and start consulting. You can take your expertise and create courses. You can take your expertise and get hired by a large brand and be doing affiliate marketing on the side. Those skills you have, those skills you develop while building up your affiliate marketing side hustle, business, whatever, are transferable. And that's the beauty of it, because actually you're not learning affiliate marketing, you're learning digital marketing, which is marketing. And it has so many applications. So even if you're confused about whether or not you should get started with affiliate marketing, whether or not it'll actually be useful in 5 or 10 years, look, you're learning digital marketing, and that's going to be useful for the next few decades, because digital advertising and digital marketing is more important now than traditional print and television advertising. The actual spend surpassed print and television advertising for the first time in 2019. So that's something to chew on. So that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. I hope it was helpful for you. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, you want to get into it, you don't know where to start, etc., make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm releasing videos multiple times a week related to affiliate marketing and online business in general. As I mentioned before, I create case studies around these things. I actually test them out and I show you what works, what doesn't work. So you'll always be on the cutting edge of these different online business strategies. So subscribe to the channel and leave a like for me, and I will see you in the next video.